Hey, what's up guys? Aadi Patni here, and this is the phone everybody has been waiting for. It's the iPhone 12 Pro. This is one of the first videos in India, so don't forget to subscribe to see more exclusive content. Let's get started. Let's unbox the iPhone 12 Pro now. iPhone unboxings have been really brief, but this time, welcome to another level. On the top, we have the phone. Let's keep the phone aside for now. Then we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. Then we have some paperwork. Inside that, we have only one Apple sticker. This time, we get only one Apple sticker. And we have some paperwork, and we have the SIM card tool. This time we have no charger, no earphones. Okay, this time we don't get plastic, but we get kind of like a paper or something on the top of the phone. And this is the iPhone 12 Pro. But the phone itself has a lot to talk about. So the weight of the phone is around 187 grams, and it has a stainless steel frame and not an aluminum frame. I personally feel that stainless steel is much better material as compared to aluminum, as it's more resistant to bending, cracking, and even actually to corrosion. The rims don't really matter to me personally. The thing that matters more is the back. Now the back has a premium looking matte finish. You can take a look at it. It looks amazing, and the more important thing is that now on the back there won't be any fingerprints, but on the sides, because of the stainless steel, there'll be lots and lots of fingerprints. But that shouldn't be an issue because these days most of the people put a cover on their phone. Okay, so the square sides. I love the square sides as they are much more grippable than the previous generation, and because of those square sides, now the dimensions of the phone have also got smaller. At first, people might find this uncomfortable, but then they'll get used to it. If we talk about the ports and buttons, then on the right hand side, we have a power button. On the top, we have nothing, it's clear. On the left hand side, we have a volume rocker. And we have an alert slider. We also have a SIM card tray over here. On the bottom, we have a lightning port and one stereo speaker. This year, we get 4 colors available in the Pro model: graphite, gold, silver, and this all new Pacific blue, which looks amazing. Inside the phone, we have the all new A14 Bionic chip with 6GB of RAM. The display of the phone is a 6.1 inches one. It has Apple OLED, Super Retina XDR, and this phone has 800 nits of brightness. This display is a 60Hz display. This year we don't get 120Hz. And by the way, the phone has ceramic shield, which Apple claims to be 4 times more durable than the previous ones. Okay, so I'm going to tell you 3 random facts about this phone. So the first fact is that this phone wobbles less on the table. It doesn't actually wobble because of its weight and because of the 3 cameras. Random fact number 2. This phone has magnets on the back and it can actually stick pins, as you can see. But I won't recommend this. Random fact number 3. This phone can actually stand on the table. These phones are much more dust and water resistant as compared to other devices. They can stay up to 6 meters deep for 30 minutes, which is pretty impressive. This phone has a triple camera setup, in which the main camera is a 12 megapixel one with f1.8 aperture and OIS. Then we have another 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and finally we have a telephoto camera with up to 2x zoom and OIS. We also have a LiDAR sensor on this phone, which is amazing. The front-facing camera of the phone is a 12 megapixel one. These phones have an all-day battery, but 5G may affect it. The iPhone 12 stereo speakers are just like any other iPhone stereo speakers. We have one in the bottom and one on the top. And they sound pretty good. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.